What track are we rebuilding? We're back at Compound 66 for the official revamp of Compound 66. The track got closed a long time ago because of the sound. There was nobody here. The track was originally here, then we moved on the land, and after we moved on to the land, we redid the track, made it work again. Got to ride it maybe a summer, maybe two, before it got shut down because of the noise. Neighbors moved in and that was it. We've turned it into a pitter track. It's been a pitter track forever. And now with the Stark Varg, we're building it back into a moto track. This is gonna be insanely fun and I cannot wait to build it. I'm currently, oh, why would I do that? My work boots are in the back of the van. That's okay, we'll put pants on. We got the head strap, that should be good. To the races. I think if we, yep, oh yeah, that's funny, he's got it super touchy. He's got the joystick control all the way up. And we're going right in for it. Ooh. I got way more done than I thought I would, but had less time than I wished I would have had. That was night one. We'll see. Could be better. Could be not be raining. That made it really tough in the skid. I almost got stuck like 6 times. Brother. We're gonna put you away, go eat some steak, have a beer, and we'll see you guys in the morning. We got the rest of the track done. For the most part, there's some stuff that was just like the mud and stuff I couldn't touch. Gonna take it easy and just work it in, no jumping, just kind of rolling it, breaking it in, getting a feel for the Stark here, and just having some fun. You know, this place isn't like you got to do all the jumps, you got to go crazy, blah, blah, you know, it was chill. So we're gonna get this thing unloaded, start riding.
That thing is gonna flow really good once I get it worked in. Gonna take it easy and just work it in, no jumping. This part I'm still trying to work out. The move is to double, but that hole is so sketchy. That thing I totally got. That thing is so fun. How loud is it?
Oh, nothing.
Really?
I can hear you when you start getting close.
Yeah.
But other than that, once you go over that jump, then I can't hear you again.
Oh, no shit.
Oh, now you got a place to ride.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it used to be the original jump, and then I built it into two jumps. And then I was like, well, it's roller, or if you're really on it, jump all the way over.
That's cool. Hilarious.
Fun.
Yeah, that's awesome.
What up, what up, what up? We're back at Compound 66. It's sick to finally say that. Made a couple changes to the track, got things dialed in better, added a section, by that I mean really getting the whole thing dialed in, and now we're gonna go out and ride for the first time. We're gonna have ourselves a good time. The crazy part is that it was so muddy, but the nice part is that the mud has dried out. So it's crazy because it was muddy and made for a lot of like really good riding, and like ruts and things like that. But the other side is that I couldn't groom a bunch of the stuff because it was too muddy. I couldn't get the skid in there. And there were even a couple sections on the track that were a little bit sketchy, like, I don't know, you know, not too prime. So now those sections hardened up. I was able to make a couple good adjustments and yeah, really get the freaking thing ready to rip. I got you guys on the chin mount today too, which is way better. Yeah, made a couple good changes there. Kind of dialed this back in, made a good change there. Got that dialed in, decent little change there. No changes over here. This is gonna still be technical, but at least I can see now. Last night it was so fucking dark I couldn't see shit. Here we go, change section coming up. Coming up. Trying to just get something with ruts mainly. So kind of slow things down. Oh, yeah, she's soft there. And now we're dialed.
I'm in a booth right now, right?
with me. Young nigga, also want to $1 million. Fur coat, $500,000 worth of ice on. Lit up like a couple Christmas lights on. Why the f*** do you be so fresh, dog? Why you keep your foot
I like
on
that
me?
little line.
Neck, dog. Cause we at the top, but we really from the bottom. Telling people, man, that's how I feel about it. There's your end, show your last 2 mixtapes. I hear you slick missing with that line. All that make believe rapping about cocaine. Don't play with me, got it, you a hoe, man. Hey, you went from my biggest fan to my biggest hater. Begging me to sign with you, but I had too much paper. Still that same that used to front your big brother. Found out here, now I call him your big sister. You still that same that was beefing with a dog. But you a gangster though. How can I take you serious? They said the move. On your team, earn your draw. They say you make them call you boss, but they can't call you king, cause that's dope. I can't drink all that 2 liter, because that's raw. The streets hours. The 488 came with a lot of power. My little niggas begging to let those sisters scatter shower. Don't play with me, play with your matter of fact, when she told me you were, and tell that old from my hood with you that heel. You make the city look bad, that's the truth. I be in North Memphis more than you. I shot my first 20 videos in my hood. You a I heard they never see you in your hood. Quit playing. 10 M's up. I'm just saying. Oh, you must be mad cause they call Memphis Dogland. Or make a Super Bowl, my money on the fountain cans. Hey, you big head mother. Why you hating so much? Oh, I forgot you came up rapping this and this is my stop slick this and dodging me. Let's get it poppin'. Oh, push on. Yeah. Oh, push on.
Yeah, that was a sick sesh. Let that thing charge for a bit. To be honest, with how much yard work and stuff I did yesterday, I'm freaking gassed today. My arms are pretty shot. And that's tough.
Was talking about me in your song prior to the side. Found my number in her phone and it hurt your pride. I'm sorry, bro. Yeah, you found my number in her phone and it hurt your pride. When they hear this shit, they gon' play it 5 times. Got a lot of foreign cars that I get too high to drive. Don't play with me, do that. Play with your beat. Don't play with me, nah. Play with your beat.